In this video, I'm going to show you how can easily share WhatsApp group and profile links. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up WhatsApp app. And then if you want to share our group invitation link, we can just get into a group where we are anatomy. And then tap at the very top and group's name. After that we can scroll down until we find invite to group via a link. We can tap on it, and then in order to copy that link, we can hit add to that icon next to copy link. And what that will do, that will copy this link to our clipboard. And then we can just paste it wherever we want to. Share that link. If you want to share your profile's link. Unfortunately, there is no way how you can do it from WhatsApp. However, let's say I want to share my WhatsApp profile link via somebody on Telegram, so I can open up Telegram app, then get into some conversation, and then I can type in wa.me. Then for a slash, and then you need to put in here your phone number. Just like that. And once you've done that, just hit send, and what that will do, that will send your WhatsApp profile link to that user. That's how it's done now. You can write down in the comments below. If you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.